Vincent Acero Astrolabio Junto Nakatani.
Bakbakang Junto Nakatani kontra Vincent Astrolabio ay marahil ang isa sa mga inaabangang world title fight ngayong taon. Umpisa pa lang ay dihado na agad si Kabayan. Bukod kasi sa baluarte ni Nakatani gagawin ng laban, ay undefeated pa itong hapon at tinuturing din ng karamihan na halimaw itong si Nakatani sa kanilang division. Dagdag mo pa na top 10 pound for pound ito. Kaya halos walang naniniwala kay Vincent Astrolabio na manalo sa bakbakan nila. Pero alam naman natin na kapag determinado ang isang boksingero ay talagang gagawin ang lahat para manalo at makuha ang pandaigdigang titulo. Matapos maanunsyo ang laban ni Kabayan kay Nakatani ay puspusa na ang naging training nito. Talagang focus na focus sa laban kontra dito sa pambato ng Japan. Bagamat dihado itong si Vincent Astrolabio sa mata ng mga eksperto, ay may mga iilan pa rin ang naniniwala na kayang makasilat si Asero ng Pinas ng panalo. Gaya na lang noong laban niya kontra kay Moloney. Marami din ang nagsasabing dudurugin lang si Kabayan noon, pero di nila inaasahan na magagawa ni Astrolabio na sumabay sa bakbakan. At ang pinakamatindi ay noong nilabanan niya ang tinaguriang El Chacal na si Guillermo Rigundo. Marami ang nagsasabing isa si Rigundo sa mga malapalos na boksingero at halos wala ding naniniwala kay Astrolabio noon na manalo. Kahit nga daw si General Casimero ay talagang nahirapan ding hulihin itong si Rigundo. Pero sa laban ay pinatunayan ni alias Asero ng Pinas na nagkakamali ang mga eksperto. Tinumba niya si Rigundo sa laban at nagawang maka-upset sa bakbakan.
Both are watching each other. What to do?
Shot, that was a good shot.
Mula noon ay marami nang humanga kay Vincent Astrolabio, isang matibay at puno ng determinasyon na boksingero. Kaya naman sa laban ni Astrolabio kontra kay Nakatani ay di masisisi na may mga panatiko na naniniwala na kayang makasilat ng panalo itong si Asero. Bago ang laban nila ay balikan muna natin ang upset win ni Vincent Astrolabio kontra kay Guillermo El Chacal Rigundo. Ang laban na nagpaangat sa pangalan ni Asero bilang isang magaling na boksingero.
Giving stiff. Oh no, he fought after long. Beautiful comp. Like good experience. Vincent, what do you see think? That? Good shot from Vincent. Trying to buy time, trying to see good body shot. See from the record, like the Filipino guy is more big puncher. Nice back. Of course, he's respecting his opponent. Good job. Oh. Good job. Cannot step in with it. You see, like he was doing warm up for my side. Like he can change the right now. You see? Oh. Good count, good defense, good beautiful defense. Good ball. Good job from Vincent. Guillermo, you know. Good uppercut from Vincent. Good go for one power punch. You should like for that, and if you have seen Nicholas. Whatever he's doing, to be honest, from the first round, just keeping his jab and keeping it. You see, Vincent is hesitant to come in. Beautiful. I think Rigundo is still playing. The body shot. No, Filipino. Our home court fighter. But you know there was one song. Break it down. Good job. Let's try by Vincent. Oh, beautiful. Good. Good counter by predicts. Good counter shot. Just see from before. Forward. Last inside. Try. Good shot. But you see? Good job. Good. It's just watching the right time, right? Yeah, exactly. For so long now. He's in that face. Oh, Guillermo. Have a good question in boxing, don't forget that. Yeah, but Manny Pacquiao. Oh, good shot from Good shot from Rigondeaux. Round number 6. Both boxers. Oh, good job. Nice ring trap. An amazing show. They're enjoying the event. Yeah. Because usually fighters get frustrated by... You see, Vincent is a bit hesitant to come out to him. Hey, he's gonna get caught. Oh, you see? Either the body shot, the uppercut. Look, see? Oh, good exchange from both fighters. What a very nice.
That's what I was saying. Like Rigondo is betting.
Shot.
Yeah.
Good, oi. Oh.
Man at work.
Man at work. Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot. Oh,
Turn to me.
Of this gentleman here, yeah? He's always...
Like Vincent is trying to give shot, but nice overhand.
The first nice hook for round number 8.
They both are present. They both are watching each other.
Oh! Shot. That was a good shot. Still wobbly.
Oh.
Break it down. Still wobbly. Oh, he's still...
20 more seconds, guys.
Careful. And Rigondo is... Oh! He's able to survive. One of the best upcoming and... good shot. Covered. Yeah, still trying. He's known to be a doctor in boxing.
Like Vincent is still looking.
Good shot from
Rigondo.
It's good to the 9th round. Oh, good shot.
Well, I think like Rigondo is come back.
Recovered from that.
As you can see, like crowds are.
Beautiful.
Oh, a nice one too. Rigondo has an
Oh, beautiful. Oh, good job,
Rigondo. Turn around.
Good for him.
Touch him up. Shoot back.
The best in
Of ring technique playoff and the fact that he's
and Astrolabio, that right hand, but the referee hit him. And he went down. Potapov, I should say. Astrolabio
come to this fight, so Zach working with him. They work.
The attack, as expected. Potapov leading with the left hook and countered, and that time Potapov, first time in his career, stopped by Hall of Fame ballot Evans, but then Junior in July 20 should have been debatable majority decision.
As well along in his way, so Astrolabio only averaged 32 punches, and yet, what? Guess what? He got himself a knock.
He left hook by Potapov returned. The middle there.
I didn't work that body a bit, but Louis lands 50 to the body, so we'll see if this fight, if he can keep doing that.
He's to have success. 3.
You know, Potapov the left hook in the last. I was only got that jab. Just throw the left.
11 of Potapov's 20 victories have come knockout, just missed. Astrolabio waiting for right. Lead right for Potapov.
Much of a difference in what they've learned. Man is a monstrous. Astrolabio really doesn't.
Stairs by Ast misses with the overhand right on the final 30.
Astrolabio is showing
one,
what he was capable of.
Started the fight in a way to become the first during the 4 belt.
Young Astrolabio or 4 times his footing in this fight.
We're circle warning both.
The first, second round, he was doing great because he would just come in.
Great job of
For Potapov. There's a left by Astrolabio. We close out the 4th frame.
Yeah, the quite that alter this third up fight.
Astrolabio that right uppercut.
I gotta say, I put the uppercut in the keys for Potapov because he just got hurt.
Potapov forced to take a knee.
Good. Okay.
Shot for shot. Power already recorded.
Want to throw single punches because
Not a bad idea.
4 punch. The jab for Potapov, and he lead left.
you know he's not going for the kick.
To deliver his promoter to come back. High guard.
And part of the problem for a
I know we've mentioned it once or twice, but it might bear repeating. Known as a technical boxer, the but left in round 1 from in round 5 after an uppercut and a left hook delivered there by Potapov,
and especially the feints.
Oh, chopping right hand as Potapov. Nikolai